Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to sync Google Calendar to Notion. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Notion app. So here we are. Make sure you are logged into it. Now over here, we can see this option called Calendar. So let's tap on this. And here's the option to continue with Google. Simply tap on this. Now here we need to make sure you have tick mark over here on the view your calendar settings and view and edit events on your calendar. Make sure you have tick mark over here, and once you are done, simply click on continue. Let's click on get started. So this is my Google Calendar, and if you get into it, we can see all of the details have been exported to Notion now. So that is all we can do to sync Google Calendar and Notion. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.